Oscar River Drive. 1867, Green Meadow and Valley Road, both were sold for $80,000. Completely destroyed the front yard in 1985, and was again flooding in 1996. It crosses the South Branch River, which began through West Virginia, and crosses the and joins the North Branch of Greensboro on the Potomac River. It along the South Branch of the river following today.
That is so pretty. We are on our train ride right now, guys. Look, oh my God. I just want to jump in there and go fishing.
The farmhouse on the north side of the train is called Skinny Lonesome. It was built in the mid-1800s by James Harmison. In 1927, the farm was purchased by Joseph O'Hara, who brought electricity to the town of Romney in 1913. The concrete making the Empire Railroad 52.4 miles long. The early history of the railroad is both passes on in the early 1900s, boys and girls in the would ride the train in houses and on the ice. In 1934, West Virginia began busing students, so that service was no longer necessary. But in 1936, when County restored the bridge at Springfield, once more boys and girls rode the train to school for a while. The last passenger train ran on the South Branch Valley Railroad in 1939.
State of West Virginia.
It cost just 2 cents a mile to ride the passenger train. You could ride round trip from Green Spring, where the railroad begins, to Petersburg, where it ends, for $1.95.
95
The
cents.
railroad has always been associated with the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. Up until 1978, they operated the tracks. That year, because they no longer made a profit, they wanted to change in the railroad. Businesses in Northwood and Petersburg depend on the railroad for success, so the state didn't want trucks abandoned. That year, for just $1, West Virginia became a railroad owner. West Virginia operated the railroad until 2023, when they leased the rails to an independent contractor. In 1991, the state contacted the Eagle Canyon Passenger Car Company of Parkersburg to run a tourist out on the tracks. So now, the contractor operates the railroad as a freight line, and the Potomac Eagle runs excursions from Wapakona Station. The railroad is a short line, and tracks reach Petersburg that end and do not connect with any other railroad. Now, there is one feature on the railroad, the cows want the tracks, we stop, and the cows get the right of way. Across the river to the right of the bridge, there's a plantation called Sycamore.